Hey guys, what's up? My name's Kyla, and today I just wanted to hop on and give you guys an honest review of these Jotesome gel nail polishes. So this is a set of, this has 32 colors in it. They have different sets that you can get. With all of the colors to customize to what colors you like. And so I love this because it has the top coat and the base coat, which is super nice. And then also a matte, which is super fun. I love doing it. I'll show you how I apply it. So first I put the base coat and then cure it underneath the device. And then I'll use the top coats finally and then cure it and then I'll put the device on my hands and they turn out so cute. I'll show you my nails right now. I used it on